Neelu Trivedi, and I'm the co-partner and organizer of this event, Little Big Things. This is an exclusive event for children from about 1 year to 12 years. So we have this event for 2 days. We did an event for the first time in March, and we got a really great response. So this time we're doing it, we've come again for the second time, and we've got different brands from what we did the last time. And also the speciality, the ones that did very, very well the first time, we brought them back here to the Hyderabad market. Last time we had around 38 to 40. This time we have almost close to 50 participants. We're also supporting 2 NGOs. One is called Nachiketa and one is called Hamara Nischay. They are supporting an education for girl child. So we are also trying to do some social work along with organizing the event. Oh, the parents are really enjoying it. There are lots of games and entertainment. Tomorrow we have a surprise. We have a whole snow room created, which is going to come tomorrow. There's artificial snow, so people who live in summer destinations like Hyderabad, and basically in India we don't get snow. So tomorrow they can experience how it is to play in the snow. There was the actress, popular actress, upcoming actress called Miss Suhani, who had come in the morning to inaugurate our event. And she took a look at all the stalls, she did some purchases, and she gave her compliments to us for this event as well. The feel is really nice, and we're getting such amazing response. The parents are very happy. I can see so many faces who are here since 4-5 hours. So they're here. So what we even organized for a lot of food for the adults and kids. So we want them to spend more time and enjoy, take time to see everything else that people have got from everywhere. So we made sure that there's entertainment for the kids. Sometimes mothers want to shop, they don't have any place to keep the kids, so we've kept a play area for the kids, so mothers cannot be worried about the kids as well, and they can shop peacefully. The toys, there is one toy shop here called Full of Toys. We have many online nowadays. Everybody's it's a busy world. Both mothers and fathers are working. Nobody has time to go out shopping so much. Even Hyderabad is an IT hub like Bangalore and other cities, so lots of participants are the ones who have stores online. So they sell online for busy parents like today's, whose kids are small and they're juggling everywhere. They can shop online, and all the products, this is just to showcase what all you can shop online. So there are toys that are imported from the US, UK, there are bags, accessories, games, educational ones, and also imported from the US, which otherwise you don't get over here. So they're all showcasing the products, and they're all from different cities. So tomorrow if you missed something or you remembered you wanted to buy something more, you can go to the online store and buy it. So that is the USP of our event.